I thought my sister and I will marry the same man. Can you believe that? Because we do things together, we wear the same clothes, the same shoe, we make the same hairstyle, and attend the same school. Everybody wants to be like us. Everybody wants to be our friend. Well, guess what? I already have a sister. So one day, my sister and I went to my mom and told her and said, Mom, we said, Mommy, me and my sister will marry the same husband. And my mom just laughed and said, okay, till then. And my sister told me that I should not worry, that we'll be sharing the same husband. So that one day he will sleep in my room and the other day he will sleep in her room. But guess who first married? Oh, my sister, because of man, son of Adam. She left me and marry. We were children, right? Yes. And that was why my mom said, till then, this is somebody that cannot share her shoe with me now. She cannot share her bag with me. But then she wants to share her husband with me. And that was why my mom said, till then, because we don't know what we were saying. I really missed these memories and I missed my sister so much. If you're reading this, you're hearing my voice, you're watching this video, I love you with every fiber of my being. Keep being you. Just bring your gari and sugar with cold water to enjoy this chicken suya that I made with love. See you on the next one. Bye bye.